Hey guys, I want to make this hot. I'm going to make this fast. Here's actual success tips so you guys can succeed, alright? So you guys can succeed. Hey, you can shut up now. Step 1, alright? Take 5 minutes to wake up and give thanks. This is important. This is huge. If you are not appreciative, life will not appreciate you, alright? Don't skip this step. It is so important. I wrote this, this is so huge. Very important. Be grateful, all right? Be grateful. That is a skill you need to do. That's an actual skill that you need to practice every single day and be appreciative. Guys, I'm doing a YouTube video and a Facebook Live. Please. Anyways, literally, look at yourself in the morning. Like, when you get up, look at yourself in the mirror and motivate yourself. Like, give thanks, give appreciative, and literally write your goals down. That already sets you up for success. And it takes 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes to do that. Step 2, visualization. All right? This is important. You need to visualize your success in any field that you do. You want that pay raise? Visualize it. And not just that, literally develop yourself. That's step 3, but I'm focused on step 2 right now. You need to visualize it. Things that you are going to do today to succeed. And if you're an affiliate, things that you are doing. How many people are you selling to? How many people are you prospecting? How many people are you getting into your funnels and lists? I'm going to go through this, and it's going to hit you like a fucking rock. And if you're not doing one of these, check yourself, all right? That's why you're not successful. All right, take 30 minutes, all right? 30 minutes to, literally a minute to visualize yourself succeeding. That it is so important, and make sure you're aligning and hitting all your goals. That is huge, all right? Whew. Close your eyes, literally close your eyes. Imagine, all right, just take a second and imagine that you're in a new house, all right, that you're in a new situation and you are working towards your goal, all right? And I'm telling you guys, you need to have that motivation, whether it be for your kids, whether it be if you don't have kids and you're doing it for yourself and your financial future, dude, just do it and it'll help you out, all right? And you want to go to your first dinner and, think about how it tastes, really hit all the points. Taste, touch, feel, emotion, really get all of it. Visualize all of it. Maximize your visualization for your goals and dreams and you will hit it. That's step 2. Step 3, all right? Take 15 minutes for self-development. I literally sanction 2 hours of freaking learning something, all right? Learning, adding, in growing whether it be for my business, whether it be for my personal development, whether it be for my work development, you should be taking you serious. You should be taking you foremost for everything that you are worth. You need to expect the best because you are the best, and you need to start living that way. Literally learn from the best so you are the best. Listen to spiritual works. Listen to motivational works. Listen to leaders in the industry that are killing it now and take advantage. In February, I'm going to the 10X Growth Conference. Literally paid $10,000. It's a $20,000 event. Got it half off. And guys, I don't care what, even if you pay at the $497. It's in Vegas. Do stuff, go to stuff that will have you succeed. Does that make sense to you? You need to constantly develop yourself as a leader. And leaders always are learning. Leaders are lifelong learners. And if you want to be worth a damn, if you want to make a difference in your industry, you literally need to do things that will self-develop you, all right? You are your biggest asset. You. Right here. You. Know that, take that, and carry that. Self-development. Now, step 3. Step 4, 1 hour. Learn something new. Now, self-development is learning something new. Step 4 is literally doing that step. Does that make sense? Literally, what you learn, the topics that you search up, and that relate into your niche, relate into the lives and people that you are impacting, you need to practice, do, repeat. Practice, do, repeat, and that will put what you've learned into action. Does that make sense? You're not just sitting on your hands, sitting on your ass, and expecting results. No, you are literally not only learning something in the self-development stage, which is step 3, but you're now actually doing it, what you've learned. You're doing and applying the skills that you have mastered, all right? Before you can master anything, you have to actually do it. So there's that. That is step 4. whatever you're learning, something new, do it too. Step 5, take an hour. Take action, all right? Take action. Teach what you just learned, ASAP, all right? Everything I learn, I literally do content. This is going on YouTube. This is my Facebook Live right now. And literally, we're creating content. We're creating content worth a damn because you guys are worth a damn. I feel what I've learned is worth a damn. So therefore, you are giving to the world its due, and the world will give to you, all right? It is so important that you take action in the things that you learn and you're not just letting it happen, all right? Don't just let life happen. You take control of your life, all right? Make a video, write a post, all right? Just like this one, just like I wrote a post, just like, I'm literally making a message as we speak, right? Send an email out to your list, right? Do a podcast. I don't do podcasts, but I guess this is considered, something, write a blog, do something. Get content out there so people can learn and you can know because you're doing it now. All right. And then step 6. All right. This is the final step. Take 2 hours. All right. Take 2 hours to network and prospect. Networking. How to properly network, Michael. Okay. You need to network with high-class people. People that are getting shit done. That means you have no choice but to get shit done. Because when you're surrounded by people that are getting it done, you will have no choice because you're learning from the right people, the people that are actually doing it and not just blowing sunshine up your asses, all right? And then prospect. Prospecting is choosing your team, all right? People are like, I don't want to recruit. I don't want it. I want it to be easy. And you know what? You're going to have an easy fucking life. And 9 times out of 10, you're going to have people you don't even want to work with. Work with people that are worth a damn. Hey, Ali, hope you're having a great day. Work with people. I'm going to wave at you real fast. Work with people that are worth it. Work with people that have high energy, and work with people, this is a huge one, that click with you, all right? You don't want people that will waste your time, but at the same time, you want to change lives. And to do that, you have to do big things. You have to initiate your learnings, your teachings, and everything you've been taught. You have to actually do it, all right? You don't have to look the best. You don't have to be freaking Dale Carnegie or freaking Elon Musk. You just have to be the best you can be. Put your best foot forward, because when you're doing what you're practicing and learning, you're going to get better over time, all right? And when you run with the wolves, you eat. When you run with leaders, you become a leader, all right? So do those things. Network and prospect. Prospecting, the only thing that is literally dictating whether you want to work with someone because they're worth a damn or not, or whether you want to take the time, that 30 minutes, the hour to build that relationship or not. That is what prospecting is. Communicating with people, being effective at communicating, guys. I don't understand. Like, if you can go to your church on Sundays and talk to the bishop, talk to whoever you talk to people you don't want to talk to, and if you can go to work at a 9 to 5 that you don't even freaking like and get along with them, okay, you can do what I do. Like, there is no reason why you guys aren't making freaking bank. That's all I'm saying. There is no reason why you guys aren't successful, all right? There's some hardworking factory workers out there. There's some hardworking doctors out there. There's some hardworking McDonald's workers, all right? They be flipping those burgers. I mean it. They don't play games. Like, they take that serious, all right? Like, I mean it. Like, there is no reason why you shouldn't be making money on the side. I mean this. Like, networking and prospecting is huge, but actually communicating with people and anything that you do, you're going to have to talk to people. So being comfortable in Facebook groups, calling your leads on your list, calling people and just giving them business cards, connecting with them and finding out their needs, like not yours, their needs. And because it's not all about you. I want you guys to know that. It's not all about you. When you help enough people get to where they want to go, and you're a worth a damn person, and you just genuinely care about people, you're gonna do just fine. Literally, practice what you preach, practice what you learn, and you will succeed. I hope this has valued somebody. I hope this hits you right where you need to be hit. And guys, I care for you. I don't even care if you're not on my team. All right, if you're not. If you are just working a 9 to 5 and that's the only way you're making income, all right, hit the link down below. You'll join my team. You'll see a guy named LJ, and he will take care of you. I will take care of you. Everything I am doing to succeed and my team's using to succeed, you will succeed. Does that make sense to you? You want to be around people that will make you succeed, all right? Stay hungry, keep growing, have self-discipline, have self-development, and constantly practice what you preach. Practice what you learn so you can succeed. If you check left and check right and you don't like where they're at, if you don't like where the people around you are at, if people hate their jobs, if people don't like what they're doing, change your friend group, change where you're at, and you will step up, all right? I love you guys. People don't say that enough. People don't say I love you enough, but I mean that. I love you guys for you. And I want you, you may be here, I want you here, all right? If you're down with that, go down the link below, join my team, all right? If you're a part of Easy One Up or whatever company you're in, and your leader is shit, I'm saying this, if your leader is shit, and he or she is not doing their job, they are not helping you succeed, message me. I will help you out. I'm not trying to sell you shit. I'm trying to actually get you results, because a 9-to-5 alone will not take care of the babies. A 9-to-5 alone will not take care of mommy and daddy's needs. Does that make sense? You could be 16, 17, or 18 or up. Does that make sense? You and your family's well-being is so important. When you get that, when you understand that, and you start taking massive action, you start learning from leaders, you're going to go so far. I want you guys to know that. My name is Michael Anthony Leonard Jr. Call me Michael. I'm the leader that cares, the visionary that gets results, and I'm the man that gets shit done. If you want a leader, not someone that's just going to sell you around the loop. If you want a leader that cares for you and they'll put you in the right direction, right? Join. Give them the link down below. If you are not, I'll say it one more time, if you have a sponsor that's not doing his or her job, message me. If this is on YouTube, my link to my Facebook page is literally down below. If it's full, follow me and then send me a friend request. Hey, I'm in Advocare. Hey, I am in the CBD business. Hey, I am in crypto. Hey, it can be whatever. I can help you. I want you to succeed, but you have to want to succeed. Does that make sense? And I know you do. You know there's money to be made. You just need to connect with the right people. Appreciate those around you. Take time to give thanks. That number 1 and number 2, and then visualize it. They're all 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6 are so crucial. All right? Do this, you will succeed. You have no choice. All right? Love you guys. I will see you in the next video. Do me a favor and like this video. Do me a favor and love this video. Do me a favor and share this video. Someone needs to hear this, all right? Someone needs tools. Someone needs lessons to grow from. And I want you guys to grow, all right? My team eats. If I eat, you guys eat. If you are eating, I'm eating, all right? That's just how it works. Network hard, build the right connections, prospect even harder, work with worth the damn people, learn something new every single day, because learners are fucking earners, and self-development. Self-develop yourself. Be who you want to be. It is your life, so be the best life. Live the best life. And that requires around business and your life. And take 30 seconds to visualize how you want your life to plan out. And take 5 minutes when you wake up to give thanks, because appreciation goes a long way. Send someone that you know, hey, I appreciate you. And I promise you, like I appreciate Ali, like I appreciate my leaders. I appreciate Michael Menzel. I appreciate Peter Wolfing. All right, he's the CEO of one of my companies. But dude, appreciate people, and it goes a long way. Love you guys. Message me. I'm here for you. Comment your thoughts. What are you doing to succeed in your business today? Bye, guys. Also, share, like, love, and I love you. Bye.